it is now official. Canada has its first confirmed case of the new strain of coronavirus.
Jesus Christ, this is crazy. Oh my God. Look at your map.
Recommending that the province close down all public elementary, middle, and high schools for 2 weeks following March break.
Tori! Bro, you have to go in the middle so I don't go into the curve.
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you.
Okay, so what do you have there, Emily?
A Carolina Reaper pepper.
So this is the hottest pepper in the world. Emily, you're gonna be fine, don't worry.
Just go!
Okay, go.
Oh, it's hot. What? Oh. It's really... No, it's in my nose.
She ran to the police station.
It's in my nostrils.
When the papa found out, he began to shout. We started the investigation.
You swallow it.
It's against the law. It was against the law. I'm working on my song. It was against the law. Mama looked back.
If I take a deep breath, I'm gonna yak.
That was the least crazy, right?
Yeah, no, you did good. Good job.
Coronavirus is
That was horrible. That was horrible, David.
We're just like great
Are
content.
you gonna like content?
You really just did that.
It's gone.
What? It's pretty bad, isn't it?
Well, I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I'm taking
Ice.
I need ice or something. What can I
I love at first he was like, oh, I'm fine. It wasn't that bad.
That's not inhumane.
You good, Harry?
I was not expecting that.
So today we're trying something different for the first time. We're doing our first live prank.
Practical Joker style.
Exactly. So we have Jacob over here, and he's gonna be telling Luke to say stuff live.
Hopefully he says it. You know what I mean? It's gonna be good when he says what I say.
So then Luke is gonna go over there, and he has to do what Jacob says.
Yo, Luke, tell this guy you're an atheist.
Okay, well, what if I'm a big atheist kind of guy? Like, I don't know.
You're a big atheist kind of
Yeah.
You want to get your SoundCloud followers up. You want your
Yeah, do you want to hear my SoundCloud? Like, I sold my soul. So, like, apparently I should be getting better, like, more hits on YouTube and stuff.
Are you a SoundCloud rapper or?
No, more of like an off time, like I just
R&B.
trap in my mom's basement every once in a while. You know, like R&B?
I lay down
like,
some
I'm
R&B
upcoming
tracks.
Tory Lanez.
I like music myself. I play a bit of guitar and piano and ukulele, and
Would you like to lay down some beats with me anytime? Like,
we don't have too much time for that. Like, so like what we do is like we leave our home like in the States for 2 years, and like we just put like everything aside just to teach people more about Christ.
oh, Christ?
Just saying, like, I honestly thought God was literally just a way for Jews to get more holidays.
Like, you said you don't believe in God, but like, have you ever like tried to think about it?
So we have these slushies right here, and I'm just about to go put this up on my story, and then the first 8 people who swipe up are gonna get one for free. But there's a bit of a twist. Let's just say when they come to get the slushie, there'll be a surprise they don't know about. There you go.
Who's in the car?
Oh my god!
Fucking hurts, and my ear, I can't hear on my right ear.
Calvin, you threw it right at him. Are you okay, Sam?
My ear's still ringing. I still can't hear in my right ear.
Alright, yo, Okay, see ya.
So she got that booty poppin' like it's bubble gum. Beat up on that booty like rumpa pum pum.